Yeah, so I'm Will Mauldin, co-founder and CEO of Rivanna, and we are first to market with an AI-powered point-of-care imaging platform designed to eliminate the many clinical errors that occur with bedside epidural anesthesia placements. And so the problem and the unmet need here, there's 2.7 million patients that are either obese or have some type of spinal abnormality. And the standard of care is to place an epidural needle, which is a fairly large needle, large gauge. You've got to place a catheter through the middle of that, into the spine in close proximity to the spinal cord, and do this accurately with no image guidance. You're just feeling the back, trying to place a needle. Many of these are done by residents in academic medical centers. So clinicians call this poke and hope technique. Failure rates in this population over 50%. There's lots of complications, and it's a leading cause of malpractice for the anesthesia provider. So we pioneered one of the first AI-enabled handheld ultrasound devices. We refer to this as a stud finder for the spine called Accuro. Uses AI to automate the image interpretation. Really easy way to improve efficacy of the procedure. We have clinical trials demonstrating that, demonstrating improved patient satisfaction. And we've generated over $5 million in sales of this product. And now we're bringing our next generation product to market called Accuro 3S, which brings this to really the next frontier, which is not just a stud finder to identify where to place the needle, but to actually do this in real time. So to automatically detect the epidural space, which you can see there, and then also track the needle tip as it advances to the space. And we think this is really going to be a game changer, eliminate the guesswork associated with the procedure, and make it much safer. Okay, the market opportunity, the total addressable market, 1.9 billion. We're starting with our focus on our existing install base, which is primarily in academic medical centers, labor and delivery. But there's a very large market if you include also the spinals and epidurals being performed in the operating room. Okay, and then we're bringing this to market with a SaaS-like subscription pricing model. There's a consumable component as well. We have tested this in a pricing study, and we expect strong uptake and also a preference very much towards the subscription offering. We're raising $7.5 million to get through FDA and to get into our limited release, 10 to 15 hospitals to prove out the business unit economics. There's a CPT coding strategy in our go-to market, and also substantial clinical evidence generation. So thank you. Look forward to talking with you all.